This is the best chicken katsu in the whole entire world. Hi, my name is Forrest. I'm going to be a chef one day. Today, we are going to learn how to make this chicken katsu. Come learn this with me. It's easy. First, this is chicken breast. We need to thin this out. First, we cover it with plastic. Now we hit it with this hammer. I'm angry. Now 2 eggs. Now we whisk it. On the chicken, we put salt and pepper. Now we put the chicken on the flour. Daddy, what does katsu mean?
It's Japanese for cutlet.
Oh, thank you. Now we put it on the egg. And now we put it on the panko. And now we deep fry it until golden brown. Now we cut it. Is this right, Daddy?
Yes.
Look at that. Daddy, can I taste this one?
Okay.
Mmm.
Is it yum?
Mm-hmm. Now we put our katsu sauce. This is sugar, ketchup, oyster sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. That looks yum! At the Skye, time for dinner! How was it at the Skye?